It's Joe, and this is my next project.
Hey, check it out. Come around here and look at this. Walk around this old car. This is my 2" by 72" belt sander here. It's a copy of Jeremy Schmidt. Find him on the internet. He designs a lot of things. He designed this belt sander. You can get the plans on the internet. We had them water cut, Aaron and I put it all together. Aaron welded it up, and it's a fabulous little piece. It's a great shop tool. Check this out. Goes, it all adjusts. This adjusts, this adjusts here, and this adjusts here also. It'll lay on its side, it'll lay over. Here's the deal. It's easy to change the belt. You just get another belt and put on there. Easy peasy. But here's the problem. Check this out. Because that belt changes so easy, I end up with belts all over my table, and it really shouldn't be that way. I know cleaning up probably would be a good place to start, and I'm gonna do that. But I've had enough of all this disarray as far as the belts. I can store new belts down here. And really, when I'm working up here, I just need 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 belts. And they always end up here because I'm just a dirty shop guy. Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm a dirty shop guy. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up, and we're gonna cure this problem today. All right, here it is. Let's see if it works. Got it all cleaned up. And you saw how this thing worked. It's just got these little L brackets. See if I can get around there. Look at that. And they're just hanging. Good thing I had a lot of room. I don't know what I'd do if it was against the wall. But these just get one out like that. And put it back in there like that. And then this little machine, let's see how all that works. This is just a cool machine. Variable speed. Now we'll put you up here where you can see. And let's see if this thing really works just the way it was supposed to work. This thing, fast, slow, lays on its side. Here's a cool thing about this. Let me see if you can see it. I like when I'm doing something right here, I want to tilt that just about like that. And then you can raise this up. And when you sand something, you're using the whole width of the belt there. It's really, really cool. This is one of the best machine that I've got in the whole place. Anyway, this is the way I would change the belt. If I had this little thing here, I could do that. And then I get another one and do that. Pretty quick. Easy peasy. Let's see if it runs. Why would you do it any other way? Hey, thanks for tuning in.